Assalamu alaikum. Greetings from Talent Upskill. Class 5 English version Math Decimal Fractions chapter exercise 7a. Question number 15 and 16. These are pretty similar question. That's why we are going to solve these here in the same lesson. Let's solve number 15 first. Villagers want to equally divide 35.28 liters of oil by 9 families. How many liters of oil will each family receive? So there are 35.28 liters and we have to distribute or divide straightway. They have said divide these amongst 9 families. That means you divide this 35.28 by 9 and you get how many liters? The answer, how many liters? So always look for this quantity which we have to find out. What is the unit? Here the unit is liter. Question number 15. So always arrange the words accordingly. Put the quantity that has the answer on the right side. For example, here two things. One is liter, another one is families. Which one you put on the right? Definitely you will put on the right liters. So let us write 9 families have 35.28 liters. Therefore, one family has, this what you do, divide 35.28 divided by 9. 35.28 divided by 9 equals to how much? You have to do the division vertically. 35.28 divide by 9. First take one digit. Can we divide? No. Take another digit. Yes. 4 into 9, 36. That is bigger. So 3 into 9, 27. Deduct 27 and what should be this? Deduct 27 means 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 is 8. 2 and 1 is 3. So this is 8. So bring down the next digit. This is 2. But there is a decimal point here. So put a decimal point in the quotient and then bring down the 2. So 82. 9 into 9. 81. Remainder is 1. Bring down 8. 9 into 2. 1, 8. No remainder. The answer should be 3.92 liter. Answer 3.92 liters. Next one, 16. There are 12 cups of the same kind which weigh 4.14 kilograms. How many kilograms does each cup weigh? So this is the answer we have to find. How many kilograms? So kilogram will be the unit of the answer. So we have to, when we write the text, we have to put the quantity, the kilogram on the right side. So 12 cups weigh 4.14 kilogram. That's how we are going to write. 12 cups weigh 4.14 kilogram. Therefore, 1 cup weigh 4.14 divided by 12 kg. Now we have to divide vertically so that we do not make any mistake in calculation. Okay, divide 4.14 by 12. Take one digit, two digit, but before you take the second digit you must put a decimal point here. Always when you consider the next digit next to decimal point, always put a decimal point in the quotient. Okay, now 41, 4 into 12, 48, 3 into 12, 36, so 3, 36, deduct 36 from 41, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, it's 5, 3 and 1, 4, so 5, bring down the next digit, 4, 4 into 12, it is 48, 48, deduct 48, 6, 4 and 1, 5. Now to continue, there is a remainder 6. To continue the division, what we do in case of decimal fraction, we can always get a 0 here. Bring down a 0. Where from? We can add zeros on the right. That doesn't make any change to the decimal fraction, or the value doesn't change. So bring down this 0. This is now 60. 5 into 12, it is 60. Remainder is 0. The quotient is 0.345 kg. So the answer is 0.345 kg. Thank you everyone. Allah Hafiz.